Good morning students. Welcome to Computer Application Lab class. On today's class we will be discuss about the assignments or lab works. These assignments or lab works are related to your all internal commands what we had did in the previous classes. Okay. It is related to your all sorts of internal commands, that is your creation of file, rename of file, delete of file, copy of file, including your directory concept. Okay, and you are having the idea about the how to create the directory and change it and remove it. So all these commands should be cover up combined together with the lab work or assignment. So let's move to solve all sorts of lab works. Okay. So now this is the chapter 4 part 3 portion. Okay. Now see, this one is the first lab work 1. So your question is create the below structure in MS-DOS. Okay. So on this structure here the D drive is there. As you know, you are having lots of drive. It may be C, D, E, F, whatever it may be. Okay. So be remember always you should practice except the C drive, means C drive is totally reserved for your Windows operating system. So don't disturb the C drives, go for other drive. It may be D, E, F, any other things. Okay. So I start from D drive. So here the D prompt is there. Inside D drive you have to create one directory, that is your edu, and inside edu another 2 directory you have to create, that is your technical, tech and non-tech, and inside tech one file should you have to create, that is your diploma.txt. I am writing in short form, that is dip.txt, and for non-tech your file is your arts.txt. Okay. And for the lab work 2. Okay. So here same thing, create the below structure in MS-DOS. As on your lab work 1, the one directory is there, inside one directory 2 directories are there. Okay, but see this format. Under this format D is there, inside D one single directory, that name is your game. Okay, and inside game another directory is there, that is your ASEAN. Yes, one thing is you have to remember, the less than greater than symbol is identified, this one is the directory. Okay, and those or file is not having any less than and greater than symbol, that is your file. Okay, so here easily you can identify the game is one directory, ASEAN is another directory, that will be placed inside your game directory. Again inside your ASEAN it divided into 3 sub directories. Okay, one is your hockey, then kabaddi, then the football. Clear? Then inside hockey you have to create one file, that name is goal.txt. Clear? Then you have to move to again ASEAN, where kabaddi you have to move to the kabaddi directory. Inside kabaddi directory again you have to create another file, that name is your silver.txt. Clear? Then again back to ASEAN directory. Then from that ASEAN directory again you have to move to where? To the football directory. Clear? Inside football directory you have to create another file, that name is your bronze.txt. Okay. So in between this lab work 1 and 2, the difference is what? Here one directory and that is divided into another 2 sub directory, whereas here too much of sub directories are there along with the files are there. Okay. So after creating all these things, as we know that we have to create this directory by using your md cd commands. Okay, along with md is your making directory, cd is your change directory, and also you have to use the bake concept. What is that bake concept? Like your cd double dot to bake to the parent directory, cd double dot slash double dot bake for 2 step, and the last one is your cd backslash, that is your bake to the root directory. Okay. So as per lab work 3, you have to remove the edu directory from your D drive. Means in these 2 lab work 1 and 2, only the creation part is there. Clear? After creation, how I should remove the directory? For remove the directory, the lab work 3 is there. where the rd command is to be used. Okay, clear? One thing is you have to remember, by creation of the directory the md command is to be used, and to go inside to the directory the cd command is to be used, and after completion all these things, when I think that I don't need that directory, I have to remove that directory, then how I should remove? By the rd command. So in lab work 3 the rd command should be used. Okay, so let's move to the DOS screen where we should solve this 1, 2 along with the 3 lab work. Okay, so now I start the DOS. Now here on your search option, write down cmd or command. Okay, so here command prompt is display. Click in command prompt. Now the DOS screen is display. Okay, so now we have to move to where? To the D drive. So let's check here D drive is there or not. So how to change the drive? Write the drive name, put a colon symbol, then press enter. So as I am writing D colon enter. So now see, the device is not ready, means on my system there is no D drive. Okay, so I move to E drive, E colon then enter. Clear? Now I am working with E drive. So the total lab work I should solve inside your E drive. Clear? Now I clear the screen. So start with the lab work 1. First is make the directory of edu. First you have to create the directory, that is your edu. So your command is md edu. Okay, edu directory is created. Now goes inside to the edu directory. Your command is cd edu. Now see, when you write cd edu, automatically your prompt symbol becomes changed. Be remember, this E is nothing but called your E prompt or C prompt or D prompt. And when I write change the directory to the directory name edu, automatically my symbol is changed to this one. Mine means your cursor is active in which directory? Inside your edu directory. Okay. Then I have to create tech directory. So md tech. Md tech is your directory creation of tech. Okay. Then you have to create md non-tech. Clear? So how you will be identify that whether this tech and non-tech is created? Already we had discussed about the dir command. Okay, so when I write dir command, now see, tech and non-tech, 2 directories are there. Already I had told you that if the dir symbol with the angular braces are there, that means it indicates these 2 are directory, not your files, and there is no bytes. Okay, so when you create a file, it occupies some space, but these are 2 directory. Clear? Now inside my edu directory, already technical directory is created and your non-technical directory is created. So I have to move to where? To tech directory, cd tech. Okay, then inside tech directory I have to create a file. So for creation of your file, what command is there? Copy con. So you have to write copy con, your file name is dip.txt. Okay, and here I am writing anything, you may write anything. So as my content of file is this one over, then I have to save the file. So how to save? Press the F6 or press Ctrl and Z. So I am pressing F6. Clear? Over means on your tech directory one file diploma.txt is created. Okay, next we have to go for where? To the non-tech directory. So non-tech is present where? On your edu directory. So now you are working with where? You are in tech directory. Means how you should move to the non-tech directory? You have to active the parent directory of non-tech directory. So tech and non-tech, these are the child of which directory? Edu directory. So first you have to back one step to the edu directory, because you have to activate the edu directory, then only you can change the directory to non-tech. Okay, so how to bake? cd double dot. Okay, then press enter. Now see, now I am in edu directory. Okay, then you have to write cd non-tech over, then create a file arts.txt over, press enter, then write down the content. You have to write some meaningful information. I am writing only garbage datas. Okay, then I have to save the file, Ctrl Z over. So my diploma.txt file and arts.txt file, these two files are created. Okay, now my total structure is created. Then I have to out from this technical non-technical directory and back to where? Back to my root. Root is your E drive. Okay, so how to back to root? You have to write cd / then enter. Otherwise you may write cd double dot slash double dot, then also you back to the root, because double dot slash double dot means back for 2 steps. Okay, so this is your first step, this one is your second step, means you will be active with the E drive. So I may write this command, or I may write cd / enter over. So your technical non-technical inside edu directory totally created. Clear? Now go for the next lab work. That is you have to create the directory as game. So I am writing md game. Clear? Then you have to move to the directory that is game. So for cd game is activate your game directory. Clear? Then you have to create another ASEAN directory. So md ASEAN, then cd ASEAN. Okay, now see the path. Now you are in game and ASEAN directory. Okay, inside ASEAN you have to create another 3 directory, that is md, your hockey is there, okay, hockey, kabaddi and football. 3 directories are created by md command. Now you have to move inside to the hockey directory, because you have to create one file. Clear? So for creation of file, copy on gold.txt over. Now here you should type any data, then save the file. Clear? Now hockey part is totally complete. Then you have to go for where? To the kabaddi directory. So kabaddi is inside which directory? ASEAN directory. Now you are working with which directory? Hockey directory. Means you have to move to where? ASEAN directory. So how you should move? Your command is back for 1 step. Okay, so your command is what? cd double dot enter. Clear? Then cd kabaddi copycon silver.txt. Okay, then I am writing some data, then save the file. Clear? Again back for 1 step, then change the directory to football, copycon gold, silver and bronze. Okay, bronze.txt. Okay, and then write the data, save the file. Over. Total structure is created. Now everything is finished. Now I have to back to where? Back to the root. Your command is cd / enter. Clear? Okay, so lab 1 is complete. Lab 2 is also complete. Now go for lab work 3. Okay. So next is your lab work 3, that is to remove the directory for the lab work 1. Okay, so inside lab work 1, whatever the directory you have created, if you want to remove it, how it should be removed, that will be discussed under your lab work 3. Okay, so your command is rd. So before using rd command, first you have to go inside to the edu text directory. Okay, so as I am writing cd /edu then the text, because rules told you that whenever you are deleting any directory, inside the directory whatever the files are there, you have to remove it first, then you are able to remove that directory. Okay, so empty that directory, then only you can delete that directory. And second rules is what? You will be active with the parent directory, then only you are able to delete the child directory. Okay, so directly I have to remove the text directory. That's why I have to go inside to the text directory, because one file is there. Which file? Diploma.txt. So first I have to delete the diploma.txt file, then I can remove the text directory. Clear? That's why I am writing cd /edu text. Now see, directly I am moving to where? To the text directory. So check the directory by dir command. Now see, dip.txt is one file is there. Okay, so I have to delete this file. For deleting your file, your command is del then dip.txt. Clear? Then after deleting, again you write dir command. Now see, there is no file. File is deleted. That means text is totally empty. So you are able to delete the text directory. So go for back one step. Now you have to write rd text. Okay. Now here you write the dir command. Now see, only the non-text is there, because just now I have deleted the text directory. Clear? Again same concept. Again you have to move to where? To the non-text directory. Then check the directory by dir command. Yes, arts.txt one file is there. Clear? So I have to delete this file. Del arts.txt. Yes. Now arts.txt del arts dot, sorry, here I have write 2 double dot. Okay, that's why could not find this file is display, message is display. Okay, so you have to write del arts. Okay, now see, write the dir command. Yes, now the non-text directory is totally empty, so you are able to delete that non-text directory. Then you have to active which directory? Edu. So cd double dot is the command to active the parent directory. Then I am writing rd non-text. Over. Now write the command dir. See, there is no directory, means text is not there, along with the non-text is not there. Okay, that means edu is totally empty. So when edu is empty means I am able to remove this directory. See, for remove this directory, where I have to active? I have to active the parent directory. So edu parent directory is your E drive. So you may write cd double dot or cd backslash. Okay. Then you have to write rd-edu. Yes, remove. Now go for writing dir command. Here there is no edu directory. Clear? As I was created this game directory, the game is there, but edu directory is not there. Okay, so from this video you got the idea how you are able to create the directory and how you are able to remove that directory. Okay.